Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to summarize the story of the novel The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. Before we look into the summary of the novel, it is first essential to look at some of the important facts about the story. So, The Metamorphosis is a novella written by Franz Kafka. It was originally written in the German language and it was published in the year 1915. The main protagonist of the novel is Gregor Samsa. So there are four major characters in the story: Gregor Samsa, his mother, father, and his sister Greta. Gregor Samsa, a traveling salesman, awakens one morning to find himself transformed into a monstrous vermin, which likely refers to a kind of cockroach or a giant beetle. He attempts to roll over only to discover that he cannot due to his new body. He turns to the clock and sees that he has overslept and missed his train to work. Gregor finds that his chief clerk has shown up to inquire about his unexcused absence. Gregor manages to crawl to his bedroom door, open it, and reveals to everyone his new shocking buggy form. The clerk, upon seeing the transformed Gregor, flees the apartment. Gregor's family is horrified. With Gregor's unexpected transformation, his family is deprived of their financial stability. They keep Gregor locked up in his room, and he begins to accept his new identity and to adapt to his new sister body. Is the only one willing to bring him food, which they find Gregor only likes if it is rotten. Gregor begins to hide himself when others are present in the room. As he dissolves and becomes more animal-like, Greta and his mother removes the bedroom furniture to give him more space. When Gregor desperately tries to save a particularly loved portrait on the wall of a woman clad in fur, his mother sees him and loses her consciousness. The father returns home. Greta explains what has happened. The father gets angry and chases Gregor around the living room and throws apples at him. One apple lodges into Gregor's back and wounds him. When Gregor recovers a month later, he discovers that the state of the apartment has changed. The family has hired a new cleaning woman and they also rent a room to three male tenants to make money. One night, the boarders invite Greta to play violin for them in the main room. Gregor is enthralled with Greta's playing and creeps out into the middle of the room. At first amused and then horrified, the boarders declare that they intend to move out the next day without paying any rent. Greta now refers to her former brother as that monster and tells that they should get rid of him. Devastated, Gregor returns to his room and dies of starvation. The next morning, the cleaning woman discovers Gregor's corpse and announces his death to the family. After kicking out the boarders, the family decides to take a day off and take the trolley out into the country. During the shock trip, Mr. and Mrs. Samsa realize that Greta has grown up into a pretty and well figured lady and it's time to find her a husband.